Our job as an organization is to monitor the community and see what kinds of needs, what kind of gaps there are in providing basic human services. So that's what we've done all through the years, and what it's evolved to is 12 basic programs, and I put them in buckets. So the first bucket is healthcare, and that's dental, mental health, and medical. The second bucket is hunger, that's our food pantry. The third bucket is housing. So we have 4 programs involved with housing: our emergency housing, our critical home repair, financial assistance, and housing stability. And they're all geared towards keeping people in the homes that they're in now, because affordable housing is very, very scarce in this community. Safety would be sort of the next bucket, and that's sexual domestic violence services, advocacy, and then we have a little miscellaneous of clothes closet, and then transportation.
My name is Wendy. I've lived in Goochland for my entire life. I actually raised my kids here also. I love people. I love helping people. But once in a while, we need help ourselves. My husband lost his job due to a back injury, and I actually got a blood infection. So I found out about GoochlandCares when we were in need. They were a lifesaver. I come weekly for the food pantry. I've used medical services. I've used dental. I've also been to the clothes closet. The food pantry might as well be walking in a store. The people, incredible. Well, I could sit here and go on all day about the people here.
Hello, my name is Selena Mickey. I am a client of GoochlandCares, the food pantry, and the clothes closet, somewhere I love. When I lost my job to COVID, I needed help. And GoochlandCares is a blessing to have.
Calvin Owens. I've been here since 1975. I've been through right much in the past years. GoochlandCares has really helped me as far as food, dental, and offered to bring food to my house. They came out and built me a ramp where I could get in and out of the house. And if it wasn't for them, I don't know whether we'd have made it or not.
Mi vecino vio que estábamos en una situación que no necesitábamos comida y consulté con él y él me dijo que viniera aquí, que acá me iban a ayudar. Y así fue. Tengo dental, médico y la comida, que es la más esencial y la que estoy encantada.
My name's Richard Watson Sr. I'm 66, and I've lived in Goochland for 66 years. Well, my bathroom was in kind of bad shape, so they redid my bathroom, took the tub out, put me in a walk-in shower. Yeah, they're some of the nicest people I've ever dealt with.
They are caring, so professional. You just get a sense of somebody, Goochland cares, that somebody truly cares. And you don't find that with other places where, well, pretty much it's a job. I see smiling faces all the time, and that's important.
Me gusta, me encanta el servicio. Cuando vengo acá, me siento en confianza, me siento como que son mi familia.
So Goochland cares about Goochland people. They help out, and they do a good job of it.
We are directly helping neighbors. We help approximately 2,000 of our neighbors, which I think is about 10% of the population here. So you're directly helping your neighbors, and you see it in every aspect of what we do.
The community has responded to supporting GoochlandCares dramatically. We couldn't be here without them, without our donors and or our volunteers. A third of our funding comes from our local Goochland residents, and we have probably over 400 volunteers a year that come and help us in one way or the other. With 12 programs, if we didn't have volunteers, we would have a tremendous staff, but we have a small staff, but our volunteers help lead us and keep us going. I would say for people that would want to be involved or seeking to get help is to come talk to us. We really treat all of our clients with dignity and confidentiality. We want to help them. We're here to help them. If there's a service or something that we don't provide, but they're in need, we're going to guide them on that. And for others that want to either be a donor or volunteer, those are all wonderful. Again, we can't do it without them. For anybody, I think being an ambassador and just talking about who we are and letting other people know and educating them. For every $1 somebody gives us, we can turn it into $8 worth of food. So a little bit goes a long way because of our partnerships with the community.